Your company is in the market for a new phone system, and Microsoft Teams Phone is something that you're looking at. Well, I can tell you right now, if your company has more than 25 phone system users, my recommendation is that you do not buy a Microsoft Teams calling plan. I'm going to tell you why I think that in a second, but first, really quick, if you'd like my recommendations on the best Operator Connect service providers or dial tone service providers or direct routing as a service providers to quote for the dial tone for your Microsoft Teams phone system, reach out, contact me, send me an email, give me a call. I'll help you make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. Don't search around out there. Just contact me. I'm a broker for all the major service providers. That's my job. That's why I do the videos. So give me a try. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, got a nice giveaway for you guys. So I've got these cool New Era AeroCom hats. And New Era, if you guys aren't familiar with it, that's the #1 brand for baseball hats out there. It's the highest quality. So we got these cool New Era hats. I'm going to give away one of them to someone who I feel is the best comment on this YouTube video. So leave a comment. All you have to do is leave a comment on this video down below in the comment section of this YouTube video, and I'm going to pick one of them to give out this free hat within a month after the video is released. So get yourself one of these hats. They're really nice. They're really cool. Just a nice giveaway there. Okay, so your company is looking to get Microsoft Teams phone system, and you've probably seen a lot of information out there on pricing. Maybe you've watched some of my videos on calling plans and all that good stuff. Well, my recommendation is that if your company has more than like 25 or so phone system users, do not buy a calling plan from Microsoft. So look back at my other videos in terms of what that is and all the different options out there, but I'm going to give you 5 reasons why getting a calling plan from Microsoft is a bad idea. Number 1, if you get your calling plan from a third party like an Operator Connect service provider or a direct routing as a service provider, you're going to get unlimited live 24/7 customer support. So that's not something you would get if you get a calling plan directly from Microsoft. Number 2, similarly, if you get your calling plans from a third party, like an Operator Connect service provider or direct routing as a service provider, you're going to get a bunch of help with the installation. So they're going to give you a project manager that's going to help you install the whole thing, program your auto attendant, get your call group set up, get your on-hold music set up, all that cool stuff like analog devices, all that stuff set up, and they're going to do it, and they're going to help you port phone numbers. That's, again, something you will not get from Microsoft. Microsoft's not going to give you a project manager to manage the whole thing and do all that for you. So that's something you can get if you don't go with the calling plans. The third reason why you don't want to get a calling plan directly from Microsoft is that it's not going to save you any money. It's going to be the same cost as if you went to a third party, like I mentioned earlier, and got all these extra benefits. The fourth reason why you don't want to buy a calling plan from Microsoft directly is you're going to get more features from a third party. So if you go with an Operator Connect provider or a direct routing as a service provider, they can offer you features that Microsoft Teams does not have inherently. They can add these bolt-on features like, for instance, they can give you SMS, so you can send and receive text messages and images from your business phone number. That's something Microsoft Teams does not have inherently, but they can add that on if you use them for dial tone. They can give you better call reporting, like customized reports. They can actually give you better call recording options, like record all calls all the time. That's something Teams doesn't have inherently. They can give you things like an operator or a reception soft console that Teams normally wouldn't have, and you can't get if you go with just calling plans from Teams. So more features available there. It's definitely a reason why you want to get away from a calling plan. And number 5, if you go with a calling plan directly from Microsoft, you'd have no way of integrating your analog devices like fax machines, like overhead paging systems, like door buzzers, stuff like that. But if you go with a third party, they'll integrate all those things into your Microsoft Teams phone environment. So just another reason why you don't want to go with a calling plan. Those are the 5 reasons. Now, the reason why I say if you have 25 or more users, you shouldn't go with a calling plan is most Operator Connect service providers or most direct routing as a service providers have a minimum requirement of around 25 phone system users. That's kind of the minimum entry point for them. Anything smaller, and they'll just kind of turn the business away. So unfortunately, if you have less employees, your options are much more limited in terms of dial tone. You might have to go directly to Microsoft to get that calling plan. But good news, if you have more employees, you have 25, 25,000, 100, anything like that, avoid getting the calling plan directly from Microsoft for the cloud dial tone. All right, I hope that helped everybody. Again, if you'd like my recommendation on the best Operator Connect service providers for your company to quote, there's dozens of them out there. So make sure you reach out and contact me. Don't search the internet for hours trying to figure out which one's the best. It's way too hard. You'll never figure it out. The devil is in the details on that stuff. I'm a broker for all the major service providers, and I've been doing this for 20 years. So if you reach out and contact me, I'm going to ask you the most important questions that are going to help really narrow down your options to the providers that have a niche for your type of company, that has your type of requirements, your type of call flow, your type of call volume. And I'm going to get you in front of the best companies to quote right away. So that's going to save you a ton of time, and it's going to help you make a lot better decision in the long run, which is going to be better for your company. And the nice thing is, on top of all that, I don't charge you a dime for my broker services. The service providers themselves pay me my broker fee. So there's absolutely no excuse not to at least reach out to me, see what I have to say. I'd love to help you. It's the reason why I do these videos. So reach out to me. Send me an email or give me a call. I'm happy to help. Also, don't forget about our cool promotion. Get yourself one of these hats. Leave a comment in the comment section down below on the YouTube video. And within a month after we post this video, I'm going to pick a comment that I like the best, and I'm going to send you one of these free AeroCom New Era hats. Super high quality hat. I love these hats myself. I wear them all the time. So get yourself one of these hats. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.